This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Becky Gordon. Wonderful opportunity to own in Courthouse Estates, on a beautiful waterfront lot. Just add some cosmetic work and make it your own. Open cathedral ceiling and foyer, formal dining room with tray ceiling and chair rail, awesome floor plan with lots of character throughout. Master bedroom with attached sitting room / nursery / workout space. Walk-in closets, and master bathroom with jetted tub. Newer appliances in the kitchen and newer hot water heater. Great potential on a wonderful street. This opportunity for instant equity won't last long. Must see today. For more information, review the details below.